Hi, this is Coggett. This is second part to my Bear Creek vegetable beef soup kicked up my way video, and I've got it ready and I'm fixing to show you how it come out, and it is just delicious. Looks good and everything. Let me get an angle here. And here's the way it looks right here. This is the finished product. As you can see, it's got a lot of vegetables in it, a lot of macaroni, and a lot of beef broth. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it a try, let y'all know. Hot. Oh yeah. That is so good. It's got such a rich beef flavor. The beef stock really brings it out, and just a great taste. It's just I'm going to eat about 2 bowls of this. But hope you give this a try. Like I say, you can kick it up however you like it. And I'm just showed you in the first video how I do it. And hope you give this a try, because it's just so good. This is Coggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers. My soup's getting cold, so I'm going to get to eating. And it's cold down here in Tornado Alley, Texas. Y'all take care.